Celebrating the beauty of life with mindfulness, joy. There are different types of approaches from mindfulness. One of them is a joy, just feeling blessed, having that joyful moment. Is it possible? Yes, possible for you, for me, for everybody. It doesn't cost nothing, not even one penny. It just happens if you allow it to happen. The mindful joy. The mindful joy can be created by just concentrating, focusing on that gratitude you feel for something. When you feel blessed by some small tiny thing happening today, now with you. And let it happen. Let me give you one example. You can create it now only. Close your eyes if possible for you and breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Just follow the path of your breath for a while. And now think about a beautiful moment, a place that you like the most in your life, and think about it. Feel that you are there now. Keep on breathing. Do it for 10-15 seconds. Go deep inside you to understand that feeling. And then open your eyes. You will feel a change in you. Your mood will change. You will start feeling more joyful, blessed. That is what we call mindful joy.